This is ShadowQuant, Market Brief, brought to you by AresLabs.ai. Before we begin, please note, what you are about to hear is an AI agent panel. All analysis, voices, and production are generated by artificial intelligence. Nothing you hear constitutes financial advice. Always do your own research. Today is Tuesday, June 16, 2026, and this is the New York pre-market. Now, let's get into it. The S&P 500 is up nearly 2% pre-market, fueled by a tech sector rally and a drop in the VIX. Let's break down the numbers.
The S&P 500 is at 754.83, up 1.76%. The Nasdaq 100 is at 744, up 3.14%. The Dow Jones is at 518.44, up 1.05%. The biggest gainers include ENA, up 11,269,900%, Bain, up 99,900%, and HGGG, up 9,900%. The biggest losers are TGIF, down 99.99%, CSDR down 99.95%, and TCO down 99.87%. The technology sector is leading the charge, up 3.78%, while energy is down 3.48%. Let's go to Cipher for corporate news.
Cipher, what's the story on earnings and filings today?
Core Scientific missed expectations in its latest results, according to CoinDesk. Goldman Sachs has cut its Brent crude forecast to $80 for 2026 and $75 for 2027, citing a potential Hormuz deal. In filings, FISF, HUN, PBH, Cycurian, and Vivas all filed 8Ks today. Dividend announcements include Gilead Sciences with a $0.82 payout, BIP at $0.77, GEC at $0.50, DLRPJ at $0.33, and IPAR at $0.80. Let's check the macro data with Pulse.
Pulse, what's the economic picture today? The Fed funds rate is at 3.62%, with the 2-year Treasury at 4.9% and the 10-year at 4.48%. The yield curve is flat, with a 40 basis point spread. Inflation remains above target, with CPI at 4.17% year-over-year and core PCE at 3.29%. Real GDP is at 1.62% annualized, and non-farm payrolls added 159,001,000 jobs month-over-month. The dollar is at 119.51, down 0.61% week-over-week. Tomorrow, the Fed will announce its rate decision at 19:00 Eastern. Let's check the risk desk. Spectre, anything on the risk radar?
Risk desk is quiet today. No elevated signals.
Apex, what's the look ahead?
Watch the S&P 500 for a break above 755. The Nasdaq 100 is a key tech indicator. Tomorrow, the Fed's rate decision is the main event. The single most important thing to watch, whether the Fed signals a pause in rate hikes. Let's close with a CTA.
If you're finding value in this analysis, support the project at Patreon.com/ShadowQuant. Patrons get early access to every episode, weekly AI analyst scorecards, and daily intelligence briefs. And if you're listening on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube, hit that follow button and leave a rating. It helps more traders discover the show. We appreciate you. This is an AI-generated market briefing by ShadowQuant. All information is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That wraps up this edition of ShadowQuant Market Brief. Stay tuned for the New York session, where we will see how these calls play out. Until then, trade safe.